Want to make Flipbook for free? Check this out. I've made this Flipbook fast and easily. When someone clicks once, page turns like a real book. You can even hear the page turning sound. If you have a PDF, you have a product, and you could be leaving money on the table every single day. Most PDFs get ignored. They are boring, hard to read on phone, and nobody shares them. But with AI-powered Flipbook Maker, you can turn any PDF into scroll-stopping, page-flipping experience in a minute. And then design it fast with templates, add interactive element, and then share it anywhere with a link, or you can embed it on your website just like a real digital magazine. Hey guys, Rana here, and today's video I'll show you guys how to make a flipbook with a free tool called 𝘁𝗵𝗋. I checked out many Flipbook Maker websites and tools, but this one stood out. It's free, looks professional, and gives you lots of editing options. But there is one small limitation which I'll explain in a moment. With a free plan, you can upload up to 5 files per day. Each file can have up to 500 pages, which I think is more than enough for most people. The only downside is that your Flipbook will show the watermark and add at the bottom. But honestly, most viewers won't mind this unless you are planning to use this Flipbook for professionally. But if you need more features, you can always upgrade later. And this is what viewers see: add at the bottom and watermark at the top. But viewer can easily close this and can use this flipbook as normally. To start creating a flipbook, first make sure your content and document is ready. I recommend to design it using Canva for best result. So inside the Canva, I made this document. You can upload your own file and design it however you like. If you want to know how to design your document using Canva, you can check out my other video that you can find in the video description. Anyways, once your document is ready, just click here, share, and then click on the download button and select the type PDF standard. Select all pages, then click done and click on download and download your PDF file. So currently this PDF looks boring. Let's turn this simple boring PDF into professional looking AI-powered flipbook. So go to the description box of this video, you'll find this website URL, 𝘁𝗵𝗋.com. Now click here, try for free. You can create your account using your Google account, Facebook or Apple. Let's go with Google account. Click here, select your Google account, click continue. You can give a name to your brand if you like, otherwise you can skip and sign up. So this is the user interface of 𝘁𝗵𝗋. In the left hand side, you will see all the features and tools to design your flipbook. Here you can upload your file. They support PDF document, PowerPoint, Word and images. You can upload your file directly by dragging and dropping here, or you can upload your file from Google Drive, Dropbox or from URL. Let's upload our file. Click on upload file, select this file and upload it. Convert successfully. Let's close this out. So this is your flipbook. When you click here, you can see just like a real paper, just like a real book. Click and hold. You can see the page turn just like a real book, as you can see. In here, you can give a title. You can add a description if you like. In the left hand side, you will see several options like currently we are inside the basic information. We have the customization, branding, share, monetize, visibility, statistics, accessibility, and more. You can also change the preview of the device, PC, pad, or mobile. You can see how this looks on pad, how it looks on mobile devices, as you can see. So that's why I said in the beginning, this is a professional flipbook maker. By clicking on the share button, you can share your book anywhere using this link, or you can embed it on your website, or you can download this PDF in any format your choice, which I'll explain in a moment. If you click here, open button, it will open a new tab, and this is your flipbook link. And you can see this is the ad that I'm talking about earlier. You will see these ads right, left, or maybe at the bottom, which you can close easily just by clicking here. Let's turn the sound on. Now you can hear the sound, and you can see a watermark right here, which is not a big deal for a user. Okay, let's close this out. If you like to customize your flipbook, go to Customization tab, expand this one. In the Design tab, you can see we have the basic settings and we have the toolbar settings. And all of these settings have different kind of options to customize your flipbook however you like. In the basic setting, you can see we have the general settings, we have the logo settings, background settings. In the background, you can change the color of your background. From here, whatever color you like, click OK. And you can see the color has changed immediately. You can also add the background image if you like. Just click here. You can upload your own image in the background. Next, we have different kind of settings right here, like we have the Google AdSense. You can add your Google AdSense client ID to show the ads in the left and the right and the bottom of your flipbook. When someone reads the flipbook, ad will appear and you will make money through Google AdSense. But this is for paid user only. As you can see, this patch shows that this feature belongs to a paid member. If you like to use this feature professionally, you can upgrade to paid plan anytime. Next, we have the chatbot settings. Add the chatbot icon, button height, and so on and so forth. In the similar way, we have themes. You can see we have tons of different kind of themes here. Some of them are free and some of them are paid, as you can see. The badge right here. Let's apply this one, popular one. And there you go. We have a new theme right here. In the branding tab, you can see we have the logo. You can add your logo. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. But this feature comes with the Pro plan, as you can see. Instead of flip html5, you can add your own logo right there. In the share, you can see you can share this flipbook on social. You can share this flipbook on social media. You can embed this on your website like WordPress or pop-up window, or you can use the iframe code from here. Copy this HTML code and embed it on your website, and this flipbook will work exactly like this. If you like to download this flipbook, you can download this on HTML, exe, zip, mec, PDF, JPEG, and original file. But if you like your PDF too, just like this flipbook, you have to have used the HTML file, which you can download only with the paid plan, as you can see. Inside the monetization, you can monetize your flipbook with ad banner, Google AdSense, and digital sale. Visibility, you can make this flipbook private password, email verification, or public. Like I said, most of the features comes with the Pro plan. You can check these statistics right from here, how many views you get, duration, audience, event, and so on. The more you can create a forms, but this feature also comes with the Pro plan. So making a flipbook with Flip HTML5 is so simple and easy. So that's how you make a flipbook for free. Whether you want to upgrade to get extra feature and remove watermark and add, it's completely up to you and your goal. But if you plan to use it professionally, for example, coach or course creator sharing a paid PDF or guide, then upgrading to paid plan is definitely worth considering. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be appreciated. And thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.